Good morning, my dear student. Welcome back to online classes. I hope all of you are fit, safe and healthy at your places and you all are preparing for your examination. Student, I am Ms. Bhavana Mehta, your moral science teacher from Art and Progressive School, Haldwani, Lamachor. And student, today we are going to start a revision work of moral science from chapter 1 to chapter 4. So let us begin our revision work of moral science.
Student, the first lesson of moral science is a prayer. Student, do you know what is a prayer? A prayer is just talking to God. It is just praising Him and saying to Him what we want of Him. A prayer need not be aloud. We can say everything in our mind. We must have an attentive and free mind. We should not think of anything else while we pray. We should pray silently. Student, let us know worship places. Student, Hindus go to pray in temple. Muslims go to pray in mosque. Sikhs pray in gurudwaras and Christians pray in church. Now let us move on. Lesson 2, Gift of God. Student, as we all know, God has created everything. God is the maker of this beautiful world. This bright and beautiful world is His gift to mankind. He has given us the sun, the moon, the stars, the rivers, the rocks, the mountains. He has made the sunrise and sunset and colors of the rainbow. He also made the rivers and spring, the rocks and mountains. All these are the symbol of beauty. Nature is very useful to us. We get many things from nature. The sun gives us heat and light. The rivers and spring gives us water. Rocks and mountains also give us many useful things. Nature helps us in many ways. So, we must thank God for all His beautiful gift of nature to us. Student, भगवान ने इन सभी को बनाया है. भगवान ने हमें सूरज, चंद्रमा, तारे, नदियाँ, पर्वत और पहाड़ दिए हैं. ये सभी नेचर की ब्यूटी के सिंबल हैं. हम लोगों को इन सभी चीज़ों से कुछ न कुछ महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ें अवश्य मिलती हैं. तो हम सभी को भगवान का इन सभी गिफ्ट के लिए धन्यवाद अदा करना चाहिए. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हु इज़ द मेकर ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड? यस, गॉड इज़ द मेकर ऑफ दिस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड. नेम सम ऑफ द ब्यूटीज ऑफ नेचर. द ब्यूटीज ऑफ नेचर आर द सन, द स्टार्स, द मून, द माउंटेन्स, द रिवर्स and the rocks. What we get from sun? We get heat and light from the sun. What do the rivers and spring give us? Rivers and spring give us water. For what should we thank God? We should thank God for all His beautiful gifts. Now come to the lesson 3, Gift of Animal World. Student, all the animals on land and in water are the creations of God. They all are many shapes and sizes. Some are big and some are small. Some are colorful, some are charming. Some live on land, some live in water, and some can fly in the air. Cows and buffaloes give us milk. Goat give us meat. Sheep give us wool. Animals like elephant, horse, camel, donkey carry loads for us. Does animal help us a lot? they are our friend, we must be kind of them. Student, भगवान ने इस धरती पर सभी एनिमल्स को बनाया है। हर किसी एनिमल्स के अलग अलग शेप और साइज होते हैं, कुछ बड़े तो कुछ छोटे होते हैं, कुछ कलरफुल तो कुछ चार्मिंग होते हैं। काऊ और बफेलो हमें दूध देता है, गोट हमें मीट देते हैं, शीप हमें वुल देते हैं और एलिफेंट, हॉर्स, कैमल, डंकी ये हमारे भार उठाते हैं। इसीलिए हमें इनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये हमारे फ्रेंड्स कहलाते हैं। Who has made all the animals? God has made all the animals. Name two animals that give us wool, milk. Cow and buffalo give us milk. Name two animals that carry load for us. Elephant and horse. Name an elephant animal that give us wool. Sheep gives us wool. Why must we be kind to animal? We must be kind to animals because they help us. Write the names of animals shown on page number 9. There are elephant, snake, goat, lion, cow, sheep, butterfly and bird. Now come to the lesson 4, gift of plants. Student, God has created animals and plants and trees also. We get most of things from our plants. Some plants give us food grains, some plants give us fruits, some plants give us vegetable and some plants give us cotton for making clothes. Besides trees and plants keep the air clean, they give us shelter and shade also. Trees and plants are very useful to us, so that we should never cut any trees. We should plant more trees and plants. We should take care of them. We should love trees and plants. And we must thank God for this beautiful and useful gift of nature to us. Student, भगवान ने ही पेड़ और पौधों को बनाया है। पेड़ पौधे भी कई प्रकार के होते हैं। कुछ पेड़ पौधे हमें फूड ग्रेन्स देते हैं तो कुछ हमें भोजन देते हैं, कुछ हमें सब्जियां तो कुछ हमें फल देते हैं। कुछ प्लांट्स हमें कॉटन देते हैं जिनसे हम कपड़े बनाते हैं। इसके अलावा पेड़ हमें शेल्टर देते हैं। हाँ, इसीलिए बच्चों हमें कभी भी किसी भी पेड़ को नहीं काटना चाहिए। हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ों को लगाना चाहिए, हमें उनकी सुरक्षा करनी चाहिए और हमें उनसे प्यार करना चाहिए। और इस खूबसूरत गिफ्ट का भगवान को देने के लिए हमें उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए। स्टूडेंट, राइट वन वर्ड आंसर इन द सर्कल लिंक्ड विथ each questions. Who made trees? And the answer is God made trees. Who made plants? Answer, God made plants. What keeps the air clean? Trees and plants keep the air clean. Which plant gives us cotton for clothes? Cotton plant give us cotton for making clothes. Student, what should we do with trees and plants? We should love trees and plants. What we get from plants? We get many things from plants like food, food grains, vegetable, fruits, shelter, cotton. Whom should we thank for this beautiful and useful gift of nature? We should thank to God, who gave life to everything. God gave life to everything.
Student, I hope all of you have enjoyed today's class and we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Bye-bye.